Hello beautiful people, how are you today? So this is the most requested video on my channel. I get so many DMs on a daily basis, especially after I made the skin craft video which I made in December. And if you guys haven't checked that out, then I'll link that in the description box below. And yeah, let's get started. Taking a shower, if you can see. I'm wearing my gown right now. So I thought this was the perfect time to film what is my skincare routine in the morning. So this is my morning skincare routine, and it's pretty simple and it's not at all complicated, so don't worry guys. I'll explain everything in brief to you guys. And I have normal to dry skin, so right now I have not applied anything on my skin. So the first thing after I wash my face, I actually use my Lush Veda rose water, and since it doesn't have a dropper, I actually have transferred it in my travel size bottle like this. So this is the first thing I spritz on my face. Let's do it. It's so refreshing guys, especially in the summers, and you know, it minimizes your pores, and it has a lightening and brightening effect as well, and it's natural. So what better could it be? And I just use this, I spray generously on my skin because my skin absorbs everything very quickly, and I just tap in everything which is left. This is drying. I go in with my mini eye cream. Now if you are in your mid-20s, it's really important to, you know, start using an eye cream and start taking care of those under eyes. Even if you don't see the signs now, precaution is always better than cure, right guys? So and always use your ring finger to do that, because that has the smallest, like the least amount of pressure, and you don't want to like rub or you know, just be very you have to be very gentle around the skin of your eyes, especially because that tends to age very quickly. While this is drying, let me tell you guys that let me give you a small tip. That is, toners are really underrated in our country. I feel like, for example, my mom didn't use toner for the longest time, and you know, so I got her into the habit of using toners, and toners is so important for you guys. I cannot even begin to tell you guys. And you know, you get all kinds of toners. You get high-end drugstore, and they are good quality toners as well. So I would highly suggest you guys that you invest in a good toner according to your skin type and according to your problem areas. If you have large pores, you can opt for Biotique's pore minimizing toner. If you have other issues, you have Laneige. I trust totally on the Korean skincare brands because I know they are 100% natural and they do wonders for my skin. So I always trust my skin with the Korean skincare, and but you can always see what works for your skin, what doesn't work for your skin, and choose products accordingly. It's not necessary that you have to go with the same range of products. In the sense, if I'm using something, you also have to use something. Or if I'm using Laneige products, or if someone's referring you to Laneige products, you have to choose and see what works for your skin. So it's okay if you use a toner from Biotique and a cream from probably Kiehl's. It's okay. So see what works best for your skin and choose products accordingly. While my eye cream is getting absorbed, it is also very essential guys to actually let your first product get absorbed properly into your skin before applying your next product, because if you want really good results, if you want efficient results, then it's very important that you actually let your first product settle in your skin before you apply the second product. So next I'm going in with my Laneige skin refiner. It's something like a toner, and I'll use my cotton pads to do that. So I don't take much, like you're only supposed to take 2 to 3 pumps of it. So that's what I do. And you're just supposed to like pat it in like so. And there's a specific way which they've mentioned, like first you need to go around your cheek, and then your forehead, and then around your mouth and nose. And never guys, never forget your neck, because your skin and your neck has to go together. They can't be of different colors, they can't have different textures, you know, because everyone. So now that my toner is totally dried up and it's totally absorbed by my skin, I'm gonna go in with my Face Shop Mango Seed Emulsion. Now the steps, I'm gonna tell you guys the steps very quickly. Like a lot of you guys message and are very confused about the steps in which you have to go in with your skincare. So it's always, just remember, it's always cleaning. That's if you have makeup, you always remove your makeup, you double cleanse your skin, and you clean, you tone. So I used my rose water to instantly hydrate my face, and then I went in with my Lineage toner as well. So I used those two, and then you go with an emulsion, because emulsion is like a potent serum. It's like a thick serum kind of a thing, but it absorbs to your skin very quickly because it has a lot of potent ingredients in it. So you need to put emulsion first, and then you go in with any of your serum. If you're using serum, then you go in with your serum, and then your face moisturizer, and then in the day you go in with your sunscreen, and in the night. So I'll just take 2 pumps like so. And it's always important to warm your products and then apply for better absorption. And lastly, I go in with my face moisturizer, and this is my Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I've reviewed all the products in details, guys, on my Instagram. So if you're still not following me on Instagram, then you definitely should. All the links will be in the description, so don't forget to check that out. And why I love this product is because it's also a dupe for Clinique Moisture Surge, which is a water-based gel, and also Smashbox's water-based Hydro Boost. I think that's what it's called. And you know, it works really well, especially for dry skin, oily skin, normal skin. Any skin type can use this, but especially during winters, it has a gel-like consistency. And especially during winters, you know, you want something very light on your skin. You don't want to like have heavy cream on your skin and then, you know, later sweat things out, because I am a sweat baby. Like, if this fan or the AC is off for like 2 seconds, my face starts dripping with water, and I'm not even kidding you guys. So I just love this. It gets easily absorbed into your skin, and yeah, it moisturizes and boosts my skin. Water on your face, and it has a cooling effect on your face as well. So especially during winters, especially during summers, you want that kind of effect on your skin, and you want to feel good. So I'm gonna apply that. Always go in your circular motions, and guys compare, if you go back to the starting of the video and you see my skin now, you see there's a glow, there's a natural glow to my skin, and I really like it. Just look at that glow. You know, taking care of your skin, I've always said this on my channel, that skin is your largest organ on your body, and you need to take care of your skin. You need to pamper it, you need to take care, you need to eat well, drink lots and lots of water, especially during summers, and otherwise as well. You need to drink lots and lots of water. You need to have fruits, you need to have colorful veggies as well, you need to have salads. I know it all sounds very boring, but once you get into the habit of it, I think you're good to go. So skincare is not only what you apply on the outside, but it's also what you eat, what you think, what you focus on. It's all about mind, and it's all about mental and physical balance. So that's it. And after this, if I'm still feeling a bit dry, which is very rare, like seriously, trust me, which is very rare, I go in with my Bioderma Sensi Bio Forte Rapid Soothing Care Face Cream. This was actually given to me by my dermat, so I use that. It's a very mild cream, mild face cream, but it hydrates your skin really well. So today I'm feeling very okay. I don't want to go in with another cream on top of this, because I feel my skin is already hydrated and plump. So I never step out of my house without using a sunscreen. So today I'm using a Lotus sunscreen. This is the 3-in-1 Matte Look Daily Sunblock. I generally go in with my Neutrogena sunscreen. I've also reviewed that on my Instagram, but it actually got over and I'm waiting for a new one. So right now I have this, and it's such a small thing, but it works so well on a long run. I mean, I cannot even tell you guys, sunscreen is a must. The days I don't have sunscreen on is when I feel the naked. Like seriously, I do not step out of this. Even in the house, like right now I'm sitting in the house, I'm feeling like, oh my god, let me finish this video fast, because I need to put on my sunscreen. I need to like pack in my skin with sunscreen, because it's so important. All these freckles, pigmentation, lines, wrinkles, everything is the cause of not using a sunscreen. So guys, if you want to invest in one product for the rest of your lives, I would highly suggest you guys invest in a good sunscreen. And always, no matter what the weather, day, indoors, outdoors, AC, no AC, no matter what, always use a sunscreen. Always put on sunscreen, and never step out of the house, especially direct sunlight. Never do that. So now I'm gonna just, this also has a bit of a tint, so I like, if you don't want anything, like after this, if you're going out to the office or anywhere you're going and you want like a bit of a tint and you don't want to use your BB cream or you don't want to use foundation, you can just directly go in with this, and yeah, it will cover all that up. That's it guys. I don't use elaborate products in the morning, and just because I'm explaining you guys and I'm telling you so many things, this took me a long time, but trust me, all these things maximum to maximum takes me 5 minutes in the morning, and I think you can invest 5 minutes in the morning for yourself and your skin, because your future self and your future skin would thank you so much, and you yourself would feel confident. When you have good skin, when you have good hair day, you always feel confident. So always take care of your skin and take care of yourself mentally and physically. And that's all for today's video guys, and if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell notification to always be notified when I upload a new video, and give this video a big thumbs up, and for more such videos, follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, my YouTube, and that's it guys for today, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.